Welcome back to the Macklen YouTube channel. This is episode 4 of the Macklen electric bike project. Since last time we've added in some extra support. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. We screwed and glued all of these in place, which should help the frame be much stiffer. We've got these little stump pegs off our donor bike. We're going to use these footrests on our electric bike. We need to drill some holes so we can mount these about here. Once where it needs to go, let's get the drill and drill a hole to mount it. We got a standard 13mm nut and bolt to bolt it to the frame. I'm going to hold the nut with the spanner and tighten it with the ratchet on the top. All good, let's do the other side. Cool, let's see what it feels like to sit on. That feels like it's just in our position. Test inside. Feels like it's going to ride really well. Some of the parts for the electric side of the bike have arrived this week. So we got a normal grip and a grip which you twist. A controller. And a motor. This has a 11-tooth gear on it, but we're waiting for the 80-tooth gear for the rear wheel. But that's coming from China, so it's going to take a while. This is a twist throttle, just like a real motorbike. This is attached to the controller, which even the battery attaches to. But when we twist this, it will make our motor spin because this is attached to the controller too. Luckily, the grip spare handlebars really well. The controller and our battery is gonna hopefully get hidden away by this part of the frame. The motor's gonna be mounted there, but we're not gonna mount it today because we're gonna wait for our chain and the sprocket to come. Because we need to make sure it's in exactly the right place. Hopefully by next time we'll have enough parts so we can start attaching them to the bike. I hope you're enjoying our videos so far. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all soon.